Introducing Ramp Bill Pay UCSV Export for customers using UCSV and uploading it to their ERP. In our Accounting tab, we find the Bill Pay subtab. Here we can see an overview of both bill expenses and payments. Let's select all and prepare to export. From here, we can jump into CSV export settings and dictate how we would like our CSV files to look. Now, bills and payments are exported separately and can have their own CSV template. Furthermore, Ramp offers a preview of both bills being exported, payments that will be exported, and all associated vendors. When ready, we can go ahead and export. Ramp will download two separate CSV files, one for expenses, the other for payments.